Hello everyone, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today I'm going to test a ball from Fit Beast. So I want to focus only on abs and core exercise. So I don't know how many I'm going to do, but let's try it. So far so good. I like the texture of the ball and it's not slippery as well. And the skin is pretty firm. So I feel safe using it. So let's get started. So let's start right here, right on your knees. And you're welcome to use a mat to protect your knees. I'm going to do a rollout. So when I start with client, I'm okay if they keep their butt up, but eventually I like if they can bring the bum down and just do like a plank on their knees. So do what you can. Shoulders are down and back, abs are tight. You're going to inhale, exhale to press into the ball to come back. So try to do between 8 and 10. Good. So as you can tell, my feet are lifting, but please keep your shoulders down the entire time. Okay, again for 4, 3, and 2 more. There we go. Now I'm going to stay out, and I want you to spell your name, okay? So if your name has just 3 or 4 letters, please keep going. Okay, there we go. Spell your name. My full name is Melanie. I'm at the L, A. Good. Can we do it again? Let's go. Shoulders down and relaxed. Oi. So you stay in a plank right here. There we go. If you feel your shoulders are lifting, that's because you need a rest. Good. Beautiful. And release. Now I'm going to do a roll-out plank. So I'm going to roll on the ball. I want you to walk as far as you can. You can stop at your knees and roll back, or you can keep going to your toes, to your feet, and then slowly roll back. Let's go again. I like this one. Woo. Good. And I love the ball. I feel safe and grippy on the floor. Okay, now we're going to stay in a plank. You can keep the ball at your knees. And I want you to drop one foot towards the floor, and then you're going to switch side. If you want to make it harder, you're going to roll towards your feet. And you're going to do the same thing. So hips have to stay parallel to each other. Shoulders and arms are strong. Whoa, there we go. You're getting tired? Just go with an easier option. 4, 3, 2, whew. Good. And slowly release and slowly walk back. It brings my heart rate up, which is good. Okay, your next exercise will be a tuck and a pike. Pike is going to be for more advanced people. So for tuck, again, you're welcome to stop right here, pelvis, thighs area, and bring your knees towards your chest. Inhale, exhale. So further you go towards your feet, okay, I just need to roll out a little bit more, and then you're going to tuck. It's going to be harder. If you want to work harder, drop one foot, tuck, drop the other foot, and tuck. So modify it as you want to work harder. Pike, you bring your butt up, working a lot in your shoulders. Okay? I'm going to alternate between the tuck and the pike. Let's go. Oh! Oh, it's pretty intense, but I love this one. So bring your abs in. Good. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Oh, there we go. And slowly roll back. There we go. Ah, good. Now I'm gonna lay on my ball and I'm gonna do crunches. So right here. So bring the butt up Open your elbows. Inhale, exhale, crunch. Look in front of you. Inhale, exhale, crunch. So I don't want you to let go completely to arch your back. Stay in a straight line if you can, and crunch. Exhale, inhale, exhale. If you need more support, please go ahead. Support your head with your hands. Good. 4, 3, 2, good. And release. Open your arms right here. Oh, that's a nice stretch for the chest and shoulders. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep the butt up. And I want you to travel from one shoulder to the other. Okay? I'm going to switch position right here. Hopefully you're going to see better. And then I'll come back to the side. So see, my head is staying supported on the ball. And I'm just moving from one shoulder to the other. Are you ready for it? Let's go. Side to side, looking up at the sky, keeping the butt up. Bring your abs into your spine. And you need to breathe as well. Good. 6. Feel the work in your glutes, in your hamstrings. 4. 2 more. And 1 more. There we go. Okay, do you remember when we were doing the crunches? Stay in that position and grab the rope. Oh, come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1.25, 1, and slowly release. Lengthen your legs. It's going to help as well to stretch a little bit your hips right here, but also your hamstrings. Beautiful. I'm going to go back to obliques. Look what I'm going to do here. Join the hands together. At the gym, I use 10, 15 pounds in my hands. Shoulders are relaxed, and I'm just going to travel again from one shoulder to another. To inhale, exhale. Yes, my head is lifting off the ball. Try to keep the buttock as high as you can. When you're ready, just join me. So shoulders away from your ears. Can we do 6 more? 5. And 4. 3. Okay, 2 each side. Come on, almost there. Feel that work in your glutes. Okay, 1 more each side. Ah, nice. And slowly release and just roll back. Let's grab your mat and water, and we're going to lay on your back. Okay, let's go right on your back. We're going to keep going here. Like I said, abs, obliques, and core exercise. So if you have knee problem, it's going to be easier if you keep your calves right here on the ball. And we're going to inhale, exhale to lift. So at the top, I want you to contract your glutes, but also your abs. If you're more advanced, please go with on your heels. So you're going to be right on your heels and lift the butt. I feel my left knee a little bit. I'm just going to come back right here and just keep going. Are you ready? We're going to go for 10. Let's go. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So very good to stretch your hips, the front of your hips, hip flexors. Good. And we're working on glutes and hamstrings are assisting right here. 6, 5, 4. I have a surprise for you. Good. 2. Then we're going to stay up. So again, abs are tight. If you can, try to lift one arm If you can, bring both arms, but shoulders are staying in contact with the earth. Are you still breathing? There we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job. And slowly release. Crunch again. So leave your calves right here on the ball. Abs are tight. Crunch. Look at your thighs. Inhale to lower. Exhale up. Inhale to lower. Exhale up. So elbows are staying wide. 8, 7. Come on. 4 more. 3, 2. Last one. Nice. Okay, do you remember the previous exercise we did for your glutes? I'm going to go back there. So arms are by your side. Lift the glutes. Try to bring one leg off the ball. If you can, you're more advanced. Drop it towards the floor and come back. And you're going to switch your legs. So again, you can just lift one leg right here or bring it towards the floor. That's it. Trust me, I feel it. And the goal is to keep hips square right here, trying to dropping one. So you really need to bring your abs in. If you know how to engage your pelvic floor, as a woman, you stop being. As a guy, you imagine walking in a cold lake. There we go. Oh, okay, I'm going to do one more each side. There we go. Oh, perfect. I'm going to work the lower abs. So I'm going to grab the ball right here between my legs, arms by your side, and lift your butt off the mat. Inhale to lower, exhale up. If you want to go a little bit higher, go ahead. Even harder with the ball between your ankles. Are you ready? And I'm going to give you another option as well. Let's go. Up and slow to come back. Now, you want to work your abs. So abs are tight and go towards the floor. Good. Or you can also bend just your knees. I'm keeping my head up because it helps my lower back. There we go. Whew. One more. Good. And release. And just rest. I'm going to focus on your obliques here. Again, option 1. Open your arms a little bit wider. You're going to go side to side. Inhale to come back. Exhale side. So that's your option 1. Option 2. You're going to bring the ball again between your legs. And you're going to go side to side. Shoulders always in contact with the floor. Option 3, bring the ball again at your feet. And you're going to go side to side. Use your strong inhale to come back. Choose your option. Let's get started. Inhale, exhale. So obviously, lower you're going, harder it is to come back. So I do this one often in my Pilates class. I can do it with a big ball or even the Pilates ball, the smaller ball. Good. Whew. Okay, 6, 5, 4. Okay, we have 3 more. I'm not sure if I skipped one or what. There we go. I was distracted by a helicopter. Okay, let's go for one more each side. Do you feel the work? I feel the work in my stomach for sure, but that's your obliques and multifidus muscle in your back. Good job. Okay, look what I'm going to do here. I'm going to bring my abs into my spine to bring the lower back. I'm going to touch down and then come back up. If you want to go ball to your feet, legs are straighter, please go ahead. We're going to inhale, exhale to lower. So abs are tight and come back. Good. Again, if you want to bring the pelvic floor up, go for it. We need Kegels. In 6, 5, 4, 3. Do you feel the work? 2. Nice. Can we stay lower? Abs are tight, lower back against the mat. I feel this is my max for now. Good. I taught a Pilates class as well this morning. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly release. Voila. I like if we can do one more exercise, and I'm gonna switch the ball between my hands and my feet. Another one of my favorite. If you need a longer break, please take it because it's very similar to what we just did, because I'm bringing again my legs towards the floor. Same thing, arms and legs. So if you keep your legs straight, don't touch the floor, and obviously it's harder. Ready for it? Let's go. Inhale up, exhale down. Good. So I'm bending my knees because I know my abs are getting tired, because trust me, this is what I do all day long. Good. And I went to the gym as well. Oh, good. Okay, I'm gonna go for 4, because when you feel your lower back is lifting off the mat, you're done. You need a break. 2 more. Come on, you can do it. Oh, 1 more. Oh, good job. And slowly release. Okay, Fit Beast, you have a good ball. I really like it. Thank you so much for sending it to me. I was happy to give it a try. If you want more videos, please go on my website at www.abstractfitness.ca. See you soon.